2022 was a year. It was a year of growth. It was a year of finding myself, even though I hate saying that. And it was a year of great uncertainty. I think the uncertainty part is staying for the foreseeable future, but I also think that it's gonna be a good year. It's looking like one of the world's biggest problems is behind us. It's looking like it's gonna be a year of even more growth. And like I said, I think it'll be a good year. My overstimulation video hit 10,000 views this year, and I'm glad that people are getting exposure to the video because I do think that it's one of my better videos in terms of content and the topic of the video and stuff like that. The B-roll and stuff could have been shot better, but that was made over like a year and a half ago. And in that year and a half, I've improved my B-roll tremendously. This last year for the channel has been amazing, all thanks to you, the people that are watching, because we more than doubled our subscriber count, even with me taking a step back in terms of only uploading one video a week versus two. I was very uncertain about what was gonna happen with the channel when I made that decision, but looking back, it turns out that it was for the better. By the end of 2023, I'm gonna hit 1,500 subscribers and I'm gonna hit 50,000 overall views on the channel. As of making this video, we're sitting at, I think, 526, 530 subscribers or something like that, and just over 31,800 views. It's gonna happen because in October of 2021, we were at 200 subscribers. And now, like I said, we're sitting at 526, which is an increase of like 60% or 61% or something like that. And I know that a 185% increase is a lofty goal, but I'm sure it'll happen. The views goal is a bit easier because it's only like 36% or something like that if my math is right. So that'll pretty much happen for sure. The thing with creating videos is that the growth is exponential. I don't really have anything else to say except look at this graph right here. That's all you need to see. I've accomplished a lot of things this year on YouTube, yes, but I've also accomplished a lot of things professionally. I think I've finally found a good place to work and I'm doing the things that I want to do. I'm creating videos, I'm taking product photos, I'm doing online marketing and other things like that, which was something that I've always wanted to do. The only thing that held me back was I never had a marketing degree or any post-secondary education, and now I've been given a shot and I'm very gracious for that shot after countless applications and resume uploading and more disappointment. So what do I have planned for next year? Well, next year I hope to continue the growth on the channel so that more and more people can be helped, but I also have two projects that I want to do as personal projects. One of them will be uploaded here for sure, but the other one heavily depends on like copyright stuff and things like that and like fair use, but that's basically all I can say regarding that. Both will take tremendous amounts of planning and probably a lot of money put behind them, but that's something that I'm willing to do for the sake of art. I've been sitting on one of these ideas for about a year now, and 2023 just happens to line up with the event that's going to be discussed in that video. The one that lines up with 2023 is on a strict schedule, but the other one is a bit more lenient in terms of coming out on time. There really isn't a schedule for it, but I would like it to come out in 2023. But as I move into the 5th year without having my mom around, things have changed. Things have changed a lot, and make no mistake, I still miss her, but I know that she'd be happy to see the person that I've become. She'd be happy to read the comments on my videos, she'd be happy to know that I'm putting out a good message to the world, and she would be proud to know that I'm able to live my life on my own without her here. But with that being said, I think you should be seeing this video on the 31st of December, I hope. And if you're watching it after, I hope you had a good 2022, and I hope you had a good new year. I'm wishing everyone the best in 2023, and may all your dreams and goals come true. And as always, thanks for watching.